Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm making the easiest dynamite sauce, perfect for chicken, fries, and shrimp. Let's go. In a bowl, add ½ cup mayonnaise. This is our creamy base. Next, pour in 1/4 cup ketchup for sweetness and tanginess. Add ½ teaspoon paprika for color and smoky flavor. A little salt and pepper. Then add 1 tablespoon honey para merong sweet balance. Add 1 tablespoon Sriracha or any hot sauce for that spicy dynamite kick. Now add ½ tablespoon vinegar to brighten the flavors. Now mix everything until super creamy and smooth. A dash of garlic powder. Trust me, this makes the sauce even better. And ayan! The perfect dynamite sauce. Great for fried chicken, French fries, and especially shrimp fried. Sarap sobra. Thanks for watching, guys. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe. More yummy recipes coming up.